Hey dear soulmate, you're welcome to today's tutorial on Benny Souls. My name is Benedicta. So it's a quick one, guys. I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a tailor's arm. Okay, this is using ironing bustiers and then cups. Alright guys, in making this I'll be making use of this Ankara fabric, a print fabric actually, and then a doll face. So I've gone ahead to fold this into four, or folded it into four, and at the folded corner right there, I'm going to marking out 5 inches from the folded corner all the way around, just like so. And I'm going to be cutting out that 5 inches mark that I made earlier. So like so, same thing. I'm going to do the same thing on our door face. Like I said, I folded into 2 and then I folded again into 4, and at the folded edge right there, I'm going to also be marking out 5 inches. Okay, round it. And so guys, if today is your first time on our channel, you're welcome. Do hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for notification whenever we upload a video. Please do like, share and comment on our channel. Thank you. Check out other tutorials also. So guys, I'm done cutting out these 2 fabrics. So next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to place it right side facing each other, and I'm going to be sewing round. But first I'm going to marking out the wrong parts of the fabric in order not for it to be confusing. So placing the front facing front, I'm going to go over and stitch it round, leaving out at least 2 inches, okay, for us to be able to impute whatever we're going to fix. So guys, I'm done sewing it right, and I'm going to flip it to the front part of the hem actually. And I got leftover fabrics, and I'm going to be stuffing this hem with those leftover fabrics that I have right there. So after stuffing them in, when it's full, I'm going to be using my needle and thread to close up the remaining part of the hem, which we left in order to stuff the fabrics into them. So like now I'm done stuffing it, and this is what we have. Okay guys, this is very easy, and it's going to save you actually. It's going to save pending when you get a professional arm actually. So guys, I'm done with it, and I'm going to fold the remaining part of that ½ inch because we joined with ½ inch. So I'm going to use my needle and thread, make a double stitch at the beginning, and I'm going to make a knot at each sew that I make up to the other side of the hem. Okay, so it's quite easy. Okay, instead of ironing our bustiers flat, this will save us in ironing our bustiers, and it maintains that cup and that curviness, and it doesn't lose that curve actually. Okay, sorry. So guys, I'm done sewing it, and this is what we have. So we're just going to place our bustier on the top there and iron. So guys, this is very easy. So here we're done with our tailor's arm. It's a very simple and easy tutorial. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you're new on our YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button.